Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, February 11th. From Mrs. Wisher, Footloose cast will not rehearse today. And Tri-High will be delivering Valentine's Day this Wednesday to the nursing home. Anyone wanting to help is welcome. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia@paley.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Music Monday. We will play a song and you have to tell us the title and artist. Here's the song. Post-prom parents will be selling pizza tomorrow during lunch. Pizza will be $2 per slice. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Friday night, JV lost and varsity won against Orleans. At Wrestling Semi-State this past weekend, Timmy Burton finished the season with a record of 37-6, and JD finished with a record of 24-8. Timmy also finished his career second on Paley's all-time win list. Great job, boys. Tonight, boys junior high wrestling will be hosting Mitchell starting at 6. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as you head through your day, it's going to rain throughout your whole day. As we go through the day, the showers should pick up stronger, and then as we head into tonight, they will get weaker into Tuesday as we see more showers. As we head through your week, we have a high of 42 and a low of 42. On Tuesday, we have a high of 52, a low of 24, and on Wednesday, we have a high of 55 and a low of 39. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.